The stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the first episode of Crypto Hangout. Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Don't worry, guys, this is not anything new or anything like that. It's still gonna be the same old live streams. I just changed the name to Crypto Hangout, and I want to do like an episode series. Just because it feels a lot better. Like every time I go live, I can see, oh, this is episode number 2, number 3. So I'm calling it Crypto Hangout, and I'll probably say the only change I'm gonna keep it more structural. And what I mean by that is I'll probably have certain topics that I'll talk about, but I'm still gonna interact with the chat and do everything the same thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much. If you guys are here, you guys are witnessing history. Crypto Hangout number 1. Thank you guys so much. Crypto Billionaire, Doge Dude, Alf Pet. Hi Lewis, are you long Gala or Zill? I'm not trading both of those, but I do hold both. Gala and Zill, but I'm not trading them. But I do like both of them. And I talked about, look, you guys remember I talked so much about Gala in the live streams from the past. You guys remember all the time. Like I talked when it comes to crypto gaming, my number one coin that I always talked about was Gala. I talked about how I was going to live stream on my other channel playing their game. I gotta see if it came out already. I don't think so, but yeah. And then recently, right, Gala literally went up like 100. I think it's 130% in the last 7 days. I made like a shorts on it, but yeah, we're gonna definitely take a look at it because I definitely want to check out Gala. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming to the first episode of Crypto Hangout. I want to start off the Hangouts with verse of the day. And if you guys want to see verse of the day, you guys can join the Patreon. That's where we get it from. But the Patreon, you would get access to the Discord, and you can also get indicators if you choose to. But verse of the day, let's check it out right here on the Patreon. But as he which hath called you is holy, so be ye holy in all manner of conversation, because it is written, be ye holy, for I am holy. Great verse. And this is a great verse to understand, because it's basically saying that you are to be holy and have the Holy Spirit in all aspects of life, including conversation, right? So if you're somebody that's cursing all the time, you're someone that's talking bad about someone, gossiping, all this stuff, right? Like, that's not really holy, right? So great verse right there. 1 Peter 1:15 through 16. And I'm happy that was the verse to start off the Crypto Hangouts episode number 1, because I really like that verse, because in everything that you do in life, be holy, right? Because he is holy, Jesus Christ. So yeah, we're gonna talk here about Bitcoin, about how the crypto markets are looking. As we saw the last couple of days, we had a nice bounce, right? Because it was about time, right? Let's be honest, right? We've been coming down for months now. So a little bear market rally was due, right? It's not a huge surprise that we had a little bounce. And I'm going to show you guys here my chart. Specific levels here to watch out for resistance and possibly support, right? Because look, here's the thing, right? We're still behind that 300 weekly MA, right? We came here twice to test it. We could possibly come up here for a third time and test it again and get rejected again. That can happen, guys. That's what happens when we are in a bear market, right? But I'm looking at this line specifically, this trend line right here, right? So around 17,900 or so. But if we do break that, then we're definitely gonna get some resistance here around 18,400, because that's where the 300 weekly MA. So wherever that 300 weekly MA, if I were to trade, which I might trade, I would definitely short it if we touch that 18,400, which, to be honest, it'll probably be lower than that, right? But I would be surprised if we just blast through this 300 weekly MA. That I would be surprised, And that would be bullish. That would be very bullish, right? But right now you can see right here, the big picture is that we're below it, right? And we're still in the bear market. Adam Marta says, how are you doing, Lewis? Bitcoin doing awesome after Powell didn't go crazy on his panel this morning. He was dovish and didn't talk much about raising interest rates or anything that got investors scared. Yeah, I definitely agree with you, Adam. I mean, and you know, even though he was dovish, you know, I think they said, I don't think it was him, but I think they said certain things that they are still not done, right? That they don't care if we enter in a recession. I don't think it was from him. I think it was from someone else, and that they're not afraid to add more interest rates in this year as well. But it was kind of, you know, I would say it was kind of like in the middle, which, you know, the markets still didn't react negatively, right, to it. So yeah, it's definitely a good sign. Maybe this is a pivot here, but my big resistance levels, like I said, for Bitcoin is 17,800 to 18,400, which is the 300 weekly EMA, or wherever we touch on this trend line, because you can see this trend right here. This is a big trend line right here, okay? And at the moment, that price is 17,900. All right, right there, 17,900, 18,000 around there. So Rohit said, hi, how are you? I am stuck in ETH long. Please see. What's up, Rohit? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Thank you guys. I just want to thank you guys again for coming to Crypto Hangout episode number 1. Don't worry, this is basically going to be the same old live streams that I always do with you guys. I'm just going to make it more structural, and I wanted to add episodes. So, you know, we have episode number 2, number 3 every time we live stream. And I just wanted to have certain segments, right? Which I'll talk about in a little bit. But I'll definitely take a look at ETH. It's Ethereum Classic, right? So you're stuck in the long on Ethereum Classic. Is that it? Ethereum Classic. But I know it can go down fast. I'm up 2,000% on Zilliqa. Oh wow. So Alpha is up 2,000% on Zilliqa. Yeah, yeah, like I said, you know, we are in a bear market rally. So yeah, you're right. It can definitely go down fast. So, I mean, look, you can look at Bitcoin's chart, and once we start coming to those resistance levels, then you can start taking profits, right? And it's, if you're up 2,000%, then you could, that's probably a great time to take profits. Yeah, 18K is the big battle. Yeah, 18K, I would, you know, 18K is the big battle, but I'll probably say the 300 weekly, which is just slightly above 18K, so 18,400 or so. Ethereum Classic, please. Yeah, I'll take a look here. Ethereum Classic for you, Rohit. GT said, Lewis, did you get a chance to use that Chat GPT? They just got picked up by Microsoft. Really? I actually tested it out. It was crazy. I actually tested it out. I think, what did I put? I put something like make a brand for health beauty products, because my wife likes like beauty products or like makeup and stuff like that, and I wanted to see what brand names they had for that, and it was like crazy. It was like really good names too, but I just tested it a little bit. It wasn't like I didn't spend like hours on it, but man, it was crazy. I definitely want to check it out more. But is it true that it got picked up by Microsoft? So we'll take a look here at Ethereum Classic. Yeah, man, be careful longing Ethereum Classic, right? You can see we got resistance right here. You see this right here? This is resistance right here. You see this? That's why we started coming down, resisting that a little bit. And we are overbought here. And this is on the daily, of course. But we'll check it out here on the hourly. Right? Because the hourly, I mean, this is, you know, very bullish, right? We can see here that this is pretty bullish. But you can also see that we kind of broke out of this uptrend, right? That we were going really, really nice here on this uptrend here. And we broke out of it. Right, we broke out of it right there, and now we're something like this, right? But we broke out of this first uptrend uptrend here, so be careful right now. Be careful trading this. I would say if it breaks, if Ethereum Classic breaks this level right here, which is 19.45, then we're definitely going lower, right? Or even I would say if it breaks this level right here, this is the level to watch for Ethereum Classic, right? 1960, and it's currently at 20.12. So yeah, 1960 is the level to watch. If it breaks that, we could potentially come lower here and potentially come down here to $18.40, right? That's what I see possibly happening here for Ethereum Classic. But again, if it can maintain above this 1960, right, we might even come down here and touch it again before rising back up, then it's bullish, right? Because you can see right here, this is the level to watch, 1960. So yeah, I mean, look, if you're trading this smart, you can have a stop loss below 1960 slightly, right? So that's what I would watch right there for Ethereum Classic. 1960 is the level here to watch. If it breaks that, then it's not looking good. Can't see the levels on screen. Yeah, so it's basically right here. So 1960, and I'll put the other level right here. 1842. If after it breaks that, it could potentially come down here to 1840s. Okay. As you can see right there. Alright, so watch 1960. Why does ZIL pump right after Gala look similar? I don't know. I gotta check it out. I know Gala pumped for certain reasons. I think The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, he's partnering with Gala for something called Gala Films, which is like this other part of Gala regarding films, which is kind of interesting. I gotta look more into it. Hello, all you future billionaires. What's up, Grizz? What's up, Team Money? Thank you for going to the live stream, Team Money. I know it's super late there, but thank you so much for coming to the live stream. Thank you guys for being here, part of Crypto Hangout, episode number 1. I'm telling you, guys are witnessing history. This is only episode number 1 of Crypto Hangout, and basically it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same live streams that I always do. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more structural. I'm gonna have certain segments where I talk about certain things. Like in the beginning of the video, I had the Bible verse of the day, which you can find on the Discord. But I think this will make it better, more fun. Because it'll just be in order too. Yeah, they did, so Google can't use it. I wonder if Google will have their version of AI soon. They gotta be nervous if they don't. Oh wow, so Microsoft did get it, right? And you're saying that Microsoft got it early, ChatGPT, so Google doesn't get their hands on it. That's crazy. And I don't trust Google or Microsoft, right? But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. AI is definitely scary. It's gonna be very interesting to see what happens with AI as the future continues, right? But let's take a look here at Bitcoin. And honestly, before that, I wanted to let's go into here. Where's that Bitcoin chart that I had earlier? This one, yeah. Before that, I want to talk about the top gainers of the day. Okay, the top gainers at the moment. There's gonna be a segment here, part of Crypto Hangout, where we talk about the top gainers of the week, of the day, just so we can see here what coins have been popping off, right? So look at this. The week, the top gainers of the week here, Gala 136%. The biggest gainer of the week, Gala 136%. Second biggest gainer, or third biggest gainer, Zilliqa 42%. And then we got Lido Finance at 66%, right? So let's check out here actually on the daily. Flare is the biggest loser here at negative 44%. Flare on the daily. But on the daily today, the biggest gainer was Aptos, 7.7% for Aptos. Shiba coming at 5.2%, ApeCoin 5.8%. So we got a lot of good gains here today for a lot of the coins, right? A lot of them over 2%. You can see right here, Avalanche, Cardano over 2%. So overall, the crypto markets have been doing really good the last couple of days. Quant as well, 3%. Let's take a look here on the hourly. What's been popping up here the last hour? Graph 1% and Curve 1.2%. So those are your gainers of the day, of the week. You can see that Gala has been pumping up like crazy, right? But let's take a look here at Bitcoin as we start to move up here. This is where I'm looking at here for resistance, 17,900. Wherever we hit here on this trend line here that I made, that if I zoom out, you can see right here, this trend line here, how accurate this one is. And I expect to find resistance there, okay? And if we do break that, which we could potentially break that, we're gonna find more resistance on the weekly, the 300 weekly moving average. Now, for us to be like very, very bullish, I would have to see a big pump breaking the 300 weekly, breaking this resistance downtrend line, and breaking the 300 weekly. Then I would be very, very bullish, because that's very unlikely to happen, right? Because you look back here, look, we're just in this aggressive downtrend here, right? Ever since the bull run. So breaking that resistance is kind of unlikely, but again, anything's possible. But that's what I'm watching right now. And that 300 weekly in May, the price of it is 18,500 at the moment, and the resistance levels here is 17,900 for the trend line. GT said Singularly Net's a decentralized platform for AI services where users can buy and sell AI algorithms using AGI token. Really? I gotta check that out. Let me search it up right now. I did not know that. So it's a decentralized platform for AI services. Wow. That's crazy. I think I've heard of, I've heard of Singularly. I don't even know how to say it. I heard of this before, but I didn't know it was a decentralized platform for AI services. Deep Brain Chain, Ocean Protocol, a decentralized data exchange for protocol that allows users to share and monetize their data with a focus on data for AI machine learning. Yeah, I heard about Ocean before. And yeah, man, like AI, right? AI, a lot of these AI tokens are starting to gain traction right now. This is like the new trend now in crypto. Yo, hey guys, what's up, Sir Lewis? What's up, Doctor and Lawyer? Thank you so much for coming to the live stream. How you been, bro? Welcome to Crypto Hangout episode number 1. I'm happy all you guys are here. But yeah, this is Singularly pushing the AI and AGI frontier. You guys can see right here. Let me check this out. So this is pretty cool. So I guess these are some of the ecosystems, right? So for example here, Jam Galaxy. Jam Galaxy is a music decentralized. We connect artists with music communities, create innovation, AI music tools, host a music data collective. That's pretty cool. But yeah, what's their token? What's their tag for their token? I gotta check it out and see how it's doing. Paul White said XRP and XLM. What are your thoughts? Yeah, my thoughts right now. I think my thoughts on XRP, XLM, and Algorand actually are at amazing prices. Okay, you can see right here, Algorand, for example, right? We have a nice pump here over 20 cents, but we were down here 16 cents, guys. 16 cents. This is one of the lowest Algorand has ever come here, and one of the biggest losers in this bear market so far. That's been like worst performing. But if you believe in Algorand long term, I mean, even at 20 cents at what it is right now, is at a great price. XRP as well. XRP at 34 cents. You can see XRP really didn't have a reaction to this little pump here that we had these last couple of days, right? XRP really didn't have any reaction. So still at 34 cents, 35 cents. And XLM had a small reaction similar to Algorand, right? But still under 8 cents. You can see right here that XLM here throughout the bear market was, the majority of time, it was over 10 cents, from 10 cents to 12 cents to 13 cents. And then out of nowhere, right after the FTX collapse, boom, we fall down below 8 cents. So my opinion is, if you believe in the ISO coins, if you think XLM, XRP, Algorand are going to benefit from the ISO coins and everything that's going to happen in the future, if you believe in all that, then these are amazing low prices. Okay, not financial advice, just my opinion. And I've been buying them. I've been buying all three of them, as well as XDC and Quant as well. So that's my opinion on both of them. I think they are all three very still low, and XRP didn't even react to the recent pump yet. Outset, I'm up 50x. Leveraging on Zilliqa was over 3,000%. Now I'm down to 2,000%. I'm going to gamble this one, betting on Bitcoin breakout. LOL. That's great, man. I can't believe you. So you were up 3,000%. Now you're down to 2,000. I'll actually take a look here at Zilliqa for you, but this is a huge pump here for Zilliqa. Definitely a huge pump. Look, the way I would trade this, actually, just looking at this, is I would definitely have I'll probably have like a stop loss right over here somewhere below 221, 0.21, a little bit below that, because we can see right here that there's like a cup, right? This could be like a cup and handle, right? This could be a cup and handle where we have the cup, which we already made. Now we have the handle. We slowly come down and then we blast off, right? So yeah, you know, Zilliqa can definitely blast off here from a couple of days of slowly coming down, creating a handle on this cup and handle, and then pumping more. So, you know, if I was trading this, like I said, I would probably have a stop loss pretty low here, because what I can see happening here for Zilliqa is it's probably going to slowly come down the next couple of days, create a handle, you know, try to exit a lot of people out, and then probably pump. And that's going to be like a cup and handle, right? So we'll keep an eye on Zilliqa. I also hold some Zilliqa. I stake Zilliqa as well. Gris says, "What's up, DL? No one ever went broke taking profits." Yeah, it's definitely good to take profits, right? You know, especially if Zilliqa does pump and we come over here, like, so if Zilliqa did pump and we did create a cup and handle, I will definitely take profits over here when it's at 3 cents, 31, or basically like 3 cents. I would definitely take profits there if it reaches 3 cents. But that's just me. Again, there are people that leverage trade, that have trades that last a month, right? That last weeks. But again, if you are doing that, then you definitely want to manage your leverage. You know, obviously, if you're gonna like 50x leverage on a trade that lasts a month or something or more, you definitely gotta be careful with that, right? Are we no longer at the bottom? Question mark. Sniff said. So my opinion, right, regarding the bottom, I don't think we bottomed yet. And I talked about this in my crypto predictions video, which I uploaded a couple days ago. But like I said, my opinion, I still hold with my prediction on it, is that 2023 what's probably gonna happen is we're probably gonna slowly go up, right, or have like a nice manufactured move up, maybe even over 30K, to be honest. And what I personally think is gonna happen, I think there's gonna be a huge Black Swan event. I don't even know what it is. There's so many things that can happen, but I think there's gonna be a huge Black Swan event this year, and then that's gonna bring the markets down even more, and that's why I don't think Bitcoin has bottomed yet. And it's not just based on that; it's also based on the chart, looking at how previous bottoms, right? You know, we really didn't capitulate, and at the same time, we didn't, create a rounded bottom, right? Where we just been, you can see right here, we just been laddering down, right? Like just boom, just going down, another level down, another level down, another level down. Now we're having a little bear market rally, right? But again, we can stay flat and then have another level down. But what I think is gonna happen is I think, Bitcoin is gonna start to pivot and then make its way back to over 29K, maybe, right? Yeah, back to over like 29K or so. And basically it's gonna be like a huge bull trap, basically. And then I think something's gonna happen when it's around that level, where it just dumps heavy, like it goes from 29K to 16K in like 2 days, and then it dumps again, it goes to like 12K or something like that. That's what I personally think is gonna happen. But again, it's just a prediction, right? It's just a prediction, because I don't think, just looking at the charts, I don't think we bottomed. I just don't, looking at previous bottoms, this does not feel like a bottom, right? What was it at? 15,300 and something. And yeah, and I called the bottom for 2022. You guys saw back in February, I called the bottom. I said 15,000, and it bottomed in 2022 at 15,500, around there. But I don't think that's the bottom for 2023, in my opinion. Well, I hope you're right about the cup and handle. Yeah, for Zilliqa, definitely watch that. Watch that cup and handle for Zilliqa, because cup and handle, right? We made the cup, right, for Zilliqa. We made the cup, right? And what cup and handle does is it slowly comes down here, right? It slowly comes down until it reaches a level here where it creates the handle, and then it pumps up, right? That's the cup and handle pattern that usually takes place many times for certain coins. So watch that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming to Crypto Hangout episode 1. Like I said, if you guys are just joining in, basically, it's still gonna be the same old live streams like I've always been doing it. I'm just gonna have certain segments where I talk about, like, for example, I talked about the biggest gainers of the day and the week, right? And then in the beginning of the video, I had the Bible verse of the day. So I want to have like certain segments that I talk about certain things, because I feel like it's great to have that, so it could be in order. So there could be like some structure to the live streams, right? So it's not just like all over the place. And I'll be thinking of certain segments as we go, right? One of the things too, I definitely love to have someone come to the live streams as well, to maybe talk about crypto, give their opinions and stuff like that. That'll be awesome, later, more into the future. So outside, if it happened like I did dream this summer, then Zilliqa have more upside, but I have not gotten confirmation on my dream. Maybe this pump is a confirmation. Can hope, praise God. What was your dream again? Did you share with us? What was your dream regarding Zilliqa? If you don't mind sharing. Definitely let us know. And like I said in my current crypto prediction regarding the bottom, I said that, right, last bear market bottom, we bottomed on the 300 weekly, right? My theory is that we I don't know if we're gonna bottom on the 400 weekly, but we might potentially come down to the 400 weekly, which at the current moment is 14,000, as you can see right here. It's actually exactly 14,000. The 300 weekly. My bad, the 400 weekly, and we've never touched the 400 weekly before, ever. But this is the closest that we are to it. I do think that we're gonna come down here to the 400 weekly. Could it potentially be the bottom? Maybe, right? Last bear market, the bottom was the 300 weekly, and then the one after that, it was the 200 weekly. So we can see there's a pattern here, right? There's a first time for everything, so we might definitely come down here to the 400 weekly and bottom on that, which at the moment is 14,000. But again, this is like slowly rising, right? This slowly rises, so. Let's check here what's current here. Some current news here regarding crypto. I actually saw that. Who shared it? I think it was Fox Trader. Fox Trader shared it in the Discord regarding Gemini. Gemini Earn. They're not gonna have. I think they're like terminating their Gemini Earn, which I'm so happy because I had cryptos on Gemini Earn that was earning yield on, and one of them was Dogecoin. I had a really good amount of Dogecoin on there, and then after the FTX collapse, I took all my money out of Earn, and most of my money out of Gemini. Not all of it. I still have a little bit on Gemini, but I took most of my money out of Gemini and Gemini Earn. And yeah, man, I wish. Here's the thing. I wish I would have done that for Celsius after the Luna Classic collapse, but you know, I'm at least happy I did that for Gemini Earn, for Dogecoin. But yeah, I mean, we'll still take a look here at Gala. I want to check out the website. And see how they're doing here with. So you can see right here, these are like the NFTs that are part of the games, right? And this one costs us 48,000 Gala. So it's kind of crazy. I want to see here. When is this game coming out? I definitely want to play this game. Fortitude. Let's see if there's any new games here. Coming out here. I definitely want to play this game, but I don't know when this comes out. It's still in development, right? They're really. I don't even think they have a date. Right before I walk up, I did see Zilliqa was up 500 or 5,000%. The crypto was down a little bit. I didn't think about Zilliqa in the time, so it was weird. Oh wow! So your dream was that right before you woke up, you saw Zilliqa was at up 500 or 5,000%. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, yeah, I mean, like, I had a dream regarding you know, the wealth transfer as well. And the thing that I did was I asked God for confirmation, and I got a yes for my like personal dream that I had. But what you can do is you can ask God for confirmation if you want to know the truth, right? And you do that by basically talking to God and letting him know. Just ask him, if this is from you, then show me this, right? Or show me this in today. And if it's not, then don't show me it today, right? And obviously don't pick something that is like super rare Like, oh, if this is real, show me a bear today or something. You know what I mean? But pray, ask, fast, right? That's how you know if it's true, if it's really from God, or if it's just your own if it's just your own dream. You know what I mean? Because I've had dreams too before, and I asked for confirmation, and I didn't get it, so I knew it was my own dream, like from my own head. But yeah, that's crazy. So you believe it was 500 or more, man? And look, I can see something like that happening for Zilliqa, because look, Zilliqa is super low market cap, right? And there's a lot of big things coming out for it, including the console. They're having a console coming out for Zilliqa, and yeah, man. I mean, Zilliqa could definitely pump hard in the future. So your dream might come true. And another thing too, right? Like you've been trading Zilliqa, which is great too. But I would say another great thing is to buy and hold, right? Buying, not just buy and hold, but buy and stake Zilliqa, right? Not financial advice, but that's what I've been doing, because you're earning more Zilliqa by staking it. And you can actually stake on your Ledger cold storage. I'm staking mine on Atomic Wallet, but I'm gonna move it to Ledger. But yeah, you can stake Zilliqa, earn even more Zilliqa by just holding it and staking it. I definitely want to think more about the segments here for the Crypto Hangout for future episodes. So if you guys got any ideas, definitely let me know. We already got, the ones I already have is the top gainers of the day, right? I already did that. Bible verse of the day, I already did that in the beginning. I think the other one I could do is like news. And let me see if I go here. I could just simply go on Google and search up crypto. Yeah, I could do like a segment regarding like the latest news of the day. Coinbase to lay off 20% of their staff. Coinbase lays off 20% of the workforce. So that's really the big news of today. Coinbase layoffs. And that's all it says right here. Just Coinbase layoffs. That's really the big crypto news of the day. YouTuber star Logan Paul apologizes for Crypto Zoo project failure. Forbes advisor, should you invest in crypto? Right here, so another big headline of the day is Gemini terminates its crypto yield product, amping up battle of Genesis. Wow. Voyager cleared to sell crypto customer accounts to Binance. Crypto.com delists USDT for Canadian users following OSC ban. Hey, what's up, Crypto 007? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Thanks for coming to the first episode of Crypto Hangout. Thanks for hanging out here. I have made a dream. I have had a dream same way before, and then it happened same day. Then I didn't believe what I did see. I dreamed XRP crashed when I was long. I didn't close my long, so after it did feel like a. What do you mean by that? So you're saying that you dreamt of XRP crashing while you were long? Oh, good. That's great, Crypto 007.
New subscriber.
Thank you for subscribing, Blancho. But yeah, we're just hanging out here at the Crypto Hangout here, episode number 1. Talking about here the certain news of the day right here. Gemini terminating their yield product here, and I'm so happy that I took out my money out of, because I had my money. I had some coins on Gemini Earn, and it's basically like the yield that you earn on Gemini. And after the FTX collapse, I took it all out of there. I still have a little bit on Gemini, but I took it all out of the Earn. The majority that I had was Dogecoin, and I was earning like 1%. I was earning 1% on Dogecoin. So imagine that. Like, I'm holding Dogecoin on there, earning 1%, right? And you know, I thought to myself, I was like, why would I do this? Like, it's literally earning 1%. You know, might as well just keep it in the cold storage wallet, right? Well, why risk this? And I'm happy I took it all out of it, and I did it after the FTX collapse. And I wish I would have done the same with Celsius after the Luna Classic collapse, but unfortunately, it didn't go well. But that's one of my biggest lessons of 2022. You know, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people learned a lot of lessons as well. But it's a new year, 2023, and we can only grow, right? We can only grow from these tough times. You know, I get really mad, guys, because you guys know my story, right? I predicted the Bitcoin bottom of 2022 back in February, right? And I actually did what I said. I sold, you know, I predicted it coming down to 15K, and I was like, okay, we're around 45K right now, and I'm predicting we're coming down to 15K because that's what I saw in the charts. And so I did what I said, right? I didn't, you know, just say it and just, you know, if I would have held all my crypto, I would have been a hypocrite, right? But I actually did what I said. I sold like 90% of my crypto, right? Including Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything. But the problem was, where I messed up was the place that I kept it. And fortunately, it was Celsius. So, yeah. You know, but it's all good, right? You know, I thank God to just be alive, to just have my health and be able to work and be able to breathe, right? And you know, sometimes, you know, God puts you through the worst so you can evolve and be at your best one day, right? We usually see people, the most successful people, they were at extreme lows, right? And they did everything that they can to get where they were. So yeah. Steve said, I had a dream that this dude passed by me and said, don't look at my face or I will sacrifice you. I looked anyway, and it was my shroom dealer. What? That's crazy. Crypto 007 said, what do you think about Gala? I was just talking about Gala. And if you have, I know you haven't been to my streams lately, but all my streams, I've always been saying good things about Gala. It's really the only crypto gaming token that I talk about, Gala. But basically all my streams, I've been talking about Gala literally every stream, and then literally 2 days ago, right, it just goes 130. It's up 130% in 7 days, which is insane, right? But I'll talk more about Gala here. I also made a short on Gala. You can check out on my channel. But my main thing with Gala, why I like it, is because, where are the categories here? Let's look at the categories. Categories right here. So let's go to the crypto gaming category, which Gala isn't even like number 1, right? And I think it's gonna be number 1 one day in the crypto gaming, if I could find it here. Where's the crypto gaming section? Gaming. No, that's gambling. There's a crypto gambling section here. I'm trying to find crypto gaming. I can't even like search it. Play to earn, found it. Oh, well, this one too. Both gaming and play to earn. So we'll talk about this right here. So, I mean, you look at this. Like Gala's literally number 6. You're at rank 94. Even Engine is above it, right? And my main thing here, my thoughts on Gala, guys, is that look, the difference between Gala and a lot of these is that Sandbox, Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Illuvium, right? These are all games. These are all dependent on their games. These are coins dependent on their games, right? So if their game fails, their coin's gonna fail. But what makes Gala different, and the Engine coin as well, okay, both Gala and Engine, but I really like Gala more, to be honest. And what makes it different is that Gala's a platform. It's a gaming platform that makes it easier for the gaming developers to launch their game on Gala. And what Gala gets in return is that game uses the Gala token for the game's NFTs or whatever the game uses for currency, right? It uses the Gala token. So, you know, Gala, let's say Gala has like 10 games up right now. Let's say 9 of them fails and one of them is a hit, like a huge, a big game. Gala's going to benefit. Gala's going to prosper, right? That's my opinion on Gala. And you know, I still think that we are still really, really early in play to earn. It's still, play to earn is trash. It's still trash. Like, don't get me wrong, play to earn is trash right now. We're still super early. I mean, nobody are, you know, mainstream isn't even close to playing play to earn or crypto gaming yet. But, you know, once they do, I can definitely see Gala being one of the top ones and being successful in this, because, you know, they're a game launcher. You know what I'm saying? Unlike Sandbox, which is its own game, unlike Illuvium, which is its own game, right? So, yeah, that's my opinion on Gala. I think they continue to improve, develop, launch good games throughout the next years. It's gonna do very well. When XRP was little, over $1.30 was up 1,000%. Wow, that's crazy. Amen. You have your health and you're still young. Yes, amen. I mean, you know, I definitely, you know, am very optimistic even during the hard times. And you're right, Sniff. You know, I'm young. I have my health. You know, I have a great job as well. So I'm really, I'm grateful. I'm still grateful for everything that I have. Crypto7 said, I'm sorry to hear about that. You'll be strong and better. It will all come back to you. Yes, man, I really do pray. And, you know, I've been praying too regarding the Celsius thing. Recently, the news with Celsius was, the big news was that the judge basically said that what was in the earn side, because like Celsius, before Celsius went bankrupt, and this was super sketchy. I should have, like, this should have been the red flag where I should have taken all my crypto out. But I think it was like a month before they went bankrupt, they created a thing where you had 2 separate accounts. You had your earn account where you earn yield from, and then you had your custody account where it just stayed there as custody, I guess. I don't know what was the purpose of that, but the reason why they did this is because there was a law that said that only accredited investors could earn yield on Celsius. This happened. Only they had that law, and Celsius had to do this. So after they did this, every time you send crypto to Celsius, it would only stay as custody, in the custody, so you wouldn't earn yield on it after the dates. And what happened was a lot of people saw this and they were like, man, okay, I only have 3 days to basically send more crypto to Celsius to earn yield, right, for the longer period. So a lot of people, including myself, you know, sent more so we could be earning yield on it, because after the date was done, you weren't going to earn more yield on it. You were just going to have it in custody, in the custody account. So they did that. And after, and I think it was like a month later, then, you know, the whole collapse happened. And basically what recently happened was that the judge said that Celsius owns the crypto that was in the urn. And, you know, as soon as I saw that, I was just like, I was really sad. Like, really sad, because the majority of my crypto was in the urn. Right? I only have like a little bit that was on custody. It's really not even like a lot compared to the urn. But I saw some videos regarding that, you know, the details and everything like that, and it really it cheered me up, because from what I saw from the videos that people like that are, you know, looking at the details and everything, they said that it's not as bad as it seems, because if the judge were to rule that that was ours and they had to pay that back, most likely it would have been like 20%, you know, something really low, or it could even been like less or something. So part of the reason why the judge did it, like, everybody thinks that the judge is like was paid off, or he's like he's corrupt or anything like that. You know, I don't know. I'm not gonna judge. I do not know. But part of why the judge did that too was because that is probably like the only way for customers to be made whole in the future. So yes, it's like the long-term view for Celsius to reorganize and hopefully get back in the future, right? But yeah, I mean, when I saw the videos, it wasn't all that bad, because I was like, hey, you know, if Celsius does reorganize, right, and they do continue to be to grow, and we do enter the bull run, then we can be made whole, basically get all the money back sometime in the future. So, you know, I was at least optimistic about that. But I'm still praying, right? I'm still praying miracles. Anything can happen, right? I'm 43 and I'm still feel young. Yeah, man, I'm 40. You know, 43 is still very young. And especially the time that we're in, right? The times that we're in, you know, 40s or 50s, it's still very young, right? You know, with the technology and the foods. I mean, regarding the foods, obviously the foods are garbage. The majority of the foods are garbage out there, but regarding food is the information out there with foods. Like, I've been learning so much about holistic health and the right foods to eat from the internet, that I have the freedom to choose, right, the certain foods or fruits and everything like that to eat, to live even longer, right? So we are definitely in a great period of time. I believe God is going to bless you a lot. Hey, thank you so much, Alf, man. I pray. I hear a new prophecy today about new coin. I don't know if the prophecy is real or fake. Really, which coin was this for? Let me know which coin it was for. I'll definitely check it out. They detained up with the Rock Gala. Yeah, I saw it. So the Rock is partnering with Gala. I'll check it out right here. Gala and the Rock are in a partnership right here. Gala price keeps pumping up higher after Wahlberg and the Rock deal. Can it reach $1? Question mark. So right here, look, Gala surges 187% after announcing movie collaboration with The Rock. That's crazy, right? So yeah, that was one of the biggest catalysts regarding the Gala surge. It was The Rock. Happy early birthday. Thank you so much, Summer. Thank you so much. And yeah, my birthday is coming up, guys. It's January 12th, so in 2 days. My birthday is coming up in 2 days. prophet prophesied about Mexico terror before it happened. Oh, really? Let me. Who is this? Definitely let me know, Alf. Which prophet? Which coin is this? I'll definitely be interested to see his video. I hold my Bitcoin in Celsius until like 3 days before they stopped withdrawals. Thank God Alex is from the same tribe as SBF, by the way. Really? So you held Bitcoin in Celsius until 3 days before they stopped the withdrawals? And then did you take it out? Oh yeah, you took that out. Yeah, because you held it before 3 days before they stopped the withdrawals, man. That's great, man. I'm really happy to hear that. I'm really happy you were able to take it out in time. And let me tell you, man, like I was actually looking at my Celsius account probably like 2 days before it happened. 2 days, I think it was like 2 or 3 days before it happened. I was looking at my Celsius account and I was actually thinking about like, should I was thinking about like, risk management, right? And where you put your money and risk management and this and that. And I was like, should I take out half just to be safe? Because during that time, right, the Luna Classic collapse happened. But at the same time, during that time, like no huge platforms went bankrupt still. It was just the Luna Classic. Luna Classic was the first domino effect. But I just can't believe during 3 days or 2 days before it happened, I was literally staring at my screen on PC and I was thinking about, should I withdraw half just to, for risk management, just so I can have, so I can be more safe, right? And I was dumb enough to not do it, right? I was dumb enough to keep it all on there. So yeah. What do you think of Shiba Inu? What do I think of Shiba Inu, are you asking? Remember when The Rock was on Saturday Night Live and he did that skit where he invented a child molesting? Yeah, I saw that clip. Yeah, look, Rock, he's definitely part of it, he's definitely a puppet, right? We all know. All these big people are, doing things. Prophet Joel. Oh, okay, I know him. Yeah, I seen videos on him. I haven't watched all his video, like, his longer videos yet, but I seen some of his videos that people were sharing in the Telegram. I don't know if you are in the Telegram, Alf, but definitely join the Telegram. It's free, and we are always sharing the latest things regarding the crypto wealth transfer. I'll post it here, but I'm pretty sure you're in it. I'm pretty sure you're in it. But I'll post here the Telegram for any of you guys that still haven't joined it. But yeah, people are sharing his video in the Telegram and basically saying that he was talking about WikiCat before it exploded, and he's saying that it's good to invest in WikiCat before April. That's what I got from the video. Bro, that was the Holy Spirit talking to you. You don't need to watch no prophetic videos. You just need to listen to the Holy Spirit. What do you mean, Grizz? That was the Holy Spirit talking to me? Like regarding like this, getting my Celsius out? Hey, what's up, CoinFlex? What happened to Discord? I was in there and just realized it's gone. Yeah, so basically, like, I did a huge revamp like a month ago, and for like 3 days, I basically like, let everybody who wanted to join in free. But if you want to join, just send me just message me on Twitter or Instagram, whichever one that you have. But basically, I did a revamp. I had like over 350 people, and I kicked out basically everyone. And I basically had like a 3-day thing where anybody can join for free. So everybody that was like active, were able to join for free. Now I have it on my Patreon for $5. But if you want to join, just let me know. Hit me up on Twitter, and Instagram. And I did this mainly because I want to, I want to have active, I want to have people that are active, but I thank all of you guys for being active in the Discord. Grizz, Doctor, all of you guys are awesome. T Money as well. And here, look, if you guys are part of the Discord and you guys want to be a specialist like Doctor is, Grizz, T Money, and basically a specialist is someone that basically I'll create a chat for you regarding what you want to be a specialist for. Like we have Shiba Inu chat, we have XRP chat, we have Bitcoin chat, and basically those chats, people are posting the latest news regarding those coins, or it doesn't even have to be a coin, it could be mining. We have someone in the Discord actually that's a real estate specialist. She's actually a broker, so if people got questions regarding real estate, boom, right, you can just ask a broker right there in the Discord. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to create a really good community where people are able to help each other grow, right? Yeah, that feeling that you should take your stuff off Celsius 2 days before collapse. Oh, yeah. It definitely was the Holy Spirit talking to me. It was just, because I was thinking about it and I just felt the gut feeling to do it. And I should have done it. I really should have done it. And look, let me tell you, CoinFlex, after it happened, I had that, that feeling of agony that you have, that you just wish you can go back in time. You wish you can literally time travel back in time. It's just agony. Like, it's just the worst feeling ever. And man, I felt like for 1 month, I felt like crap. Yeah. Joined now. Thank you for joining, Alf. Thank you for joining the Telegram, the free Telegram. Sorry, brother, I was out of the loop. Thank you. Understood, brother. Yeah, just hit me up, CoinFlex. Hit me up on Twitter or Instagram, or even in the Telegram. Here, I'll post the Telegram, which is free. If you haven't joined it yet, we got 500 people in the Telegram, and they're always posting regarding crypto and wealth transfer. But if you want to join, just hit me up, and you can join the Discord. And I'll show you here at the Discord. And I did a really nice revamp. You can clearly see right here. We got the crypto headquarters, XRP chat, prophetic coins, SHIB chat, Doge chat. We got the main chat. We got the signal alerts, which I'll be posting signal alerts, trader chat. Right, so we got breaking news, announcements. So yeah, just let me know. I'll send you the invite. Let me actually create the invite right here. Permissions, invites, there we go. Invite people. Alright, I just got it. Let me get the invite here. Let me send to my Twitter. But yeah, I got the invite link right there. Perfect. But yeah, I'm thankful for all of you guys here coming to the first episode of Crypto Hangout, episode number 1. And I definitely love to, talk about more, what I can do in the Crypto Hangout in terms of the segments that we can talk about. But in the future, I love to have maybe somebody come on the live stream, also talk about crypto, right, regarding anything that's going on. But yeah, Bitcoin right now, On the daily, we are very overbought on the daily, right? Very overbought. Let's check on the hourly. Overbought on the hourly. I mean, I could see us potentially coming down here to 1750, right? We can retest this area right here. 17,150 before jumping back up. Right? Weekly cat is up 12,000% since December 17th. That's insane. Wow. That is insane, man. I wish I would have put like just a little bit back then. But, you know, based on what he said, you know, it's a good time to invest before April, right? He gave that time frame, so we'll see. Data 80 cents. Let me check out your flux. Let me see how flux is doing. 54 cents. I think I'm gonna get more flux and theta. Definitely want to get more flux and theta. Insane gains are in it. Let's check out here the crypto market cap. Let's take a look here at the ones here that biggest gainers. Trending. Let's check it here with the most volume. No, wait. So let's look here at the top here, mineable. Look at the top coins here that are mineable in terms of market cap. Number 1, Bitcoin. Number 2, Dogecoin. Dogecoin at number 2. In terms of mineable, like that you can mine these, right? And I'm actually mining Dogecoin. I have 2 Dogecoin mini miners. I'm gonna make a review video on both of them. I already made like a shorts and a TikTok on them, but I'm gonna make like a full length review video on them. Number 3, Litecoin. So Litecoin here below Dogecoin here in terms of market cap, right? Number 4, Monero. So you can mine Monero, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Filecoin, right? Bitcoin SV, Zcash. You can mine Dash, Zilliqa. Wow, you can mine Zilliqa. Helium. I want to see Flux. Flux is number 18. Wow. Flux at number 18. Digibyte as well. I want to see how to mine Digibyte and Zilliqa. Definitely want to see that. But Flux at 18. Very interesting. Let's put another filter here. I put here audited. So this is the top ones for audited. Ethereum number 1. Tether USDT is audited. At number 2, BNB, Polygon, Shiba Inu at number 5 in terms of audited. Then we have Leo, Wrap Bitcoin, Toncoin, Apecoin, VeChain, Terra Classic, Luna Classic audited, really? Wow. So look at that. Luna Classic in the top 10 here for, or top 11 here for audited in terms of market cap. Litecoin seems to be revived. They added a privacy layer. Oh, really? They added a privacy layer for Litecoin? That's great. Yeah, Litecoin. I'm happy I got some Litecoin when it was like around 50 bucks. And look, Litecoin is definitely one of my picks. I mean, Litecoin, you go back, it survived multiple bear markets. This is one of the OG coins. You know, I definitely do like Litecoin. Even though a lot of people like to hate on it. It's definitely a great coin. Let's see here the most volume here. USDT, Bitcoin, Binance USD with the most volume. Ethereum as well. Aptos, XRP, wow. Nice buy on Litecoin. Yeah, I just wish I would have got more, but I got a decent amount. It was around 50, 55 or so. But right now, Litecoin is around 80 bucks. Litecoin at $80 right now. And I'm also mining Litecoin, a little bit of Litecoin. With my Dogecoin mini miners, I also mine a little bit of Litecoin, which is great. Because hey, look, if Litecoin goes back over $1,000, that's gonna be crazy, right? And here's another thing too. Look, if you're looking to mine, it's definitely good to get miners during the bear market, because that's when they're cheap, right? People are selling them for cheaper prices because they're not profitable, right? I don't even think my Dogecoin mini miner is profitable, but you know, based on the stats right now. But again, in the future it can be profitable. It all depends on the price of the coin, right? Like I bought it because I believe in Dogecoin and Litecoin in the future. So if you're gonna mine a coin, don't, you know, do it because you believe in that coin in the future, right? In the next bull run, that it will survive. And that's why I'm also trying to get 1,000 flux, because I think flux is gonna survive. And you need 1,000 flux to be able to mine it. I just gotta watch a video on how to mine flux, because everybody says how hard it is to mine flux. How to set it up, really. Yeah, guys, like regarding us going up heavy, I don't think we bottomed yet. Like I said, do not FOMO. If we continue to pump hard, do not FOMO, right? Because what I believe is happening is that we're probably gonna have a huge bull trap to 29-30K range. Everybody's gonna, you know, believe that the bottom is in. and then something's gonna happen, and then we're gonna go from 29K to 16K in like 2 days or something. That's my gut feeling. That's what I think could happen. And basically it'll be like a manufactured bull trap, right? Manufactured rise this year, and then sometime we have a big crash. That's my gut feeling. But at the moment, right, people are going to be bullish, especially seeing inflation come down and the Fed and all these signs, right? But one other thing too, right? Like if you are putting in a lot of money right now, don't be afraid to take profits if we go above 29K, right? Don't be afraid to take profits on if what I can say is if we do go above 29K and above at 30K, I'm gonna be selling a lot of my crypto, including Dogecoin, all of those. It depends a lot on how it is during there. Like if we go up there like super fast, right? It takes like a week or something. I'm gonna be taking a lot of profits. I played with some trading bots yesterday. Really? Which trading bots did you use, on KuCoin, or was it another one? Another exchange? Against them, every time I place my order, they moved. There's really, that's weird. That's strange. I really never messed with crypto bots. I always wanted it to though, but it's just like I feel like I have to watch like a video on how to set them up, because there's like different types of bots too, right? Polygon at 85 cents. Veracity too, coming up a little bit, right? You can see right here, Veracity coming up here to 24, 25 actually. Chainlink at $6. So Chainlink at $6 after it was around 5.40. Still very low for Chainlink, right? We're down. We came down basically 90% here on Chainlink. You can see right here. We came down 90%. Oh my bad. I think we came down from its all-time high. Yeah, like 90%. Yeah. 89% for Chainlink. Any thoughts on Flare? We'll take a look here at Flare. I really don't know that much about Flare. Flare Network. I know that it took a beating today. But I don't know anything regarding the news regarding Flare. But you can see right here, we're down. But again, right, we've been pumping like crazy, right, ever since we were over here. We've been pumping for like this couple hours here. Let me see, is it, because it's like new here on KuCoin. Did it just get listed on KuCoin? Or Gate.io. I mean, yeah, you can see this. Look at this. Flair just dumped. Look at this huge dump from 50 cents to 38. Now it's around 41. But yeah, I don't know what caused this dump. Let me know if you know what caused this huge dump here for Flair. But yeah, this definitely doesn't look good. This looks like a rug pull, right? But let me know what caused this huge dump here. I really don't know what happened. Let me see if I can find it. It has to do with working with the bridge currencies. Not sure on the dump. Yeah, let me see what caused this huge dump. It says here, Flair, it's hard to miss airdrop dump happening in real time. Someone said waited 2 years for launch just to massively dump. So I think it launched on some big current like platforms like MEXC and some other ones. I think that might be a big cause of the dump too. I don't know the main cause of why it dumped so much. Right, it's just kind of weird. But yeah, I just want to thank all of you guys for coming to Crypto Hangout episode number 1. Like I said, this is gonna be the same live streams, the same everything. It's just a new title, and I'm gonna do it episodes. So next one is gonna be episode number 2. And this is gonna be more structural, so I'm gonna have more segments. So it could be more, you know, not all over the place in the live stream. And I'll definitely, you know, am open for suggestions regarding like segments, regarding anything. Like for example, I'm doing like in the beginning of the live streams, I'm doing the Bible verse of the day, then I'm doing the top gainers, so we can see what are the top gainers of the day, of the week. Then the other one is the current news, right? What's the big news of the day, of the week? But if you guys got any more segments, or I can do certain things, I'm definitely gonna brainstorm as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being part of episode number 1. Again, if you guys want to join the Discord, you guys can join in the pinned comment, and you guys can join the Telegram for free as well. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Appreciate all of you guys coming out here. And yeah, God bless all of you guys. And I'll catch you guys in episode number 2 of the Crypto Hangout. Thank you guys. God bless you. Peace.
Miatis.